So we got one light here, we got one light here, got plenty of light here for mean activity at night. I like that you could do the remote, both of them. You could turn them off if you want. Hitting off, you could turn it on. That one's over here, lights up the whole entire area here. Today we're gonna bring two solar lights in one box. Now this one has a large solar panel that you need to mount. Make sure that you're aware that wherever the sun's gonna be hitting the most, you want to set that up. So we're gonna set two of these lights on my backyard because we're gonna start golfing on our mat at night, and I want to make sure I'm able to see what I'm hitting. So we are gonna set two lights side by side, and we're gonna set it up, and it comes with the control. You can use the control for both systems. So we're gonna set it up today and see how well it works at night. All right, let's take a look at the controller. All right, you got your on, off, your light dimmer, your memory, your auto, your 3 hours, 5 hours, or 8 hours. So you could set this up for, say, auto, day to night mode, 3 hours. And if you click on it, when you click on it, it's gonna blink. So there it is. It just blinked for 3 hours. But we're gonna set it up for auto. And if you have a backyard and you put some posts, you could have another one here. That's what I'm going to do tomorrow. But I'm just reviewing this one right here so you guys can see it. Really dark. That's my security light. Turn it on. Go in here. Turn it on. So we got all this covered up really good. Hope you guys enjoy the video.